How to fix Marvel Tokon error D0000207. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix it. First of all, run some commands. Click on search, type CMD, right click on command prompt, select run as administrator, go to the video description to find some commands. In the video description, you will find these commands. Copy the first line of command, paste into the command prompt and press enter. On my computer, the error doesn't occur, so the output is like this. On your computer, you will get operation completed successfully or something like that. Now check if the issue is fixed. Launch the game and check if it works perfectly. If the issue still occurs, then run this command. Copy the command, paste into the command prompt and press enter. And then check if the problem is solved. In any case, if the issue still occurs, check the incompatible drivers in the memory integrity section. For this, click on Start, go to Settings, click on Privacy and Security, go to Windows Security, click on Device Security, click on this link, Core Isolation Details. If memory integrity is turned off, turn it on. The system will scan for incompatible drivers. If any incompatible driver is found, delete the driver manually. To delete the driver, right click on Start, select Device Manager, click on View, select Devices by Driver, and find the driver in the list. Once found, right click on the driver and select Remove. Suppose this is the driver, then right click on the driver and select Remove Driver. Do the same for all the incompatible drivers. Close the Device Manager, close the Windows Security, close the Settings window, and restart your computer. The issue should be fixed now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.